We found a house.
You are the one who reigns from above.
Hi guys, so we are doing our first home shopping today. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, like I can't believe we're shopping for our first house. Okay, let's go. We came with Riri. This is my niece. Oh, careful Riri. Okay, yeah, so let's go. This son is eating. I really like this couch, and it's a sofa bed as well, but I just don't know how the bed comes out. Let's see my top here. What do you think? Sit on it.
Yeah. Like this comes out.
Oh, I don't think that's what it's good. Oh, but I kind of like it too. I feel like I can work here, like on the couch if I'm working from home. So this couch is a strong contender.
I will see.
Okay. I feel like it's past the side I want us to see. Okay guys, so we're looking at beds.
And
This is a bit too firm for me though.
no, it's not.
It's not.
It's actually good.
We just bought our first furniture for our house.
Yeah.
Hey.
Perfect. Where's my jacket?
Oh my gosh, you left it
You
there.
really wanted me to so bad.
I was literally saying, oh, let's not leave your jacket. Your phone is there.
Yeah.
Let me go and get some sleep. That ice cream to Yeah.
I want to lick it.
Wait, let's go.
Hi guys, so we came back to IKEA today after church.
Just couldn't get enough of them.
Yeah, because we're actually moving in soon, so we wanted to get a few things that we needed. And yeah, so we picked up a few things. We're just going to get lunch because I'm really hungry. And
Nearly
I
got
hope-
away with not getting
No.
lunch yesterday. I thought that was all there was to IKEA.
Oh yeah, but this cafeteria is packed. But yeah, let's
Sunday.
get something to eat.
Church.
So how's your IKEA experience been so far?
Is this an all-you-can-eat buffet?
No, it's not.
Oh, I'm loving it. I really am impressed by the business model and just even everything, the customer,
Yeah.
customer care. That was
Yeah.
and just, yeah, down to there. The way it is organized, it's very different.
Yeah. Yeah, it was literally his
I
first
can't
time
do this
here
my
yesterday. And I'm like, how have you never been to IKEA?
Because I'm a bachelor. And I'm not to, I always get everything from Facebook Marketplace. or-
Oh,
yeah.
true. Yeah, but I really love IKEA. Like, I love this place. Stop. Anyways, let's get something to eat.
Love it too.
And I'll see y'all in a bit.
It's very crazy that they have a cafeteria too.
Yeah, because they think about everything. Like, you can drop off your kids, shop, where hungry,
Yeah.
eat, and then continue shopping. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, there's a lot of noise right now because we're setting up a few things. My friends came over to help us set up and arrange the furniture that we just got. So, Chess is helping me set up. Hey. Or is having dinner. The guys are setting up the dining table. Say hi. He thinks it's crazy that we paid $300 for the TV. I personally think it's fine. my gosh, the lighting here is so nice. I'm so excited to actually start vlogging and creating content in this house. Look at our pots, very cute. This is an electric. Can I use this? So I can't use this on the stove, right? It has to be plugged in. I have to read the manual. Okay, cool. Oh my gosh, I eat on the dining table. Yeah. You put the charger.
Open it. It's in there.
No, it's one of those things that when you
Because I don't know it's keeping for now. Or you can put it in one of these drawers here. No, the charger.
like everyone can't sit on the couch.
And you guys will have people over just to
We will.
pay enough. You will.
Even if you want to like work in the living room, like what if your laptop?
Yeah, working with it.
Oh, won't you just sit on the couch?
For a Zoom call.
Yeah. You. Okay, I was thinking that like
No,
if
it's
you guys
okay.
put the
It's
couch
only
right
the couch
here.
is here.
Yeah, the couch can be
Yeah,
right
the
there.
couch is here.
But the dining
Yeah,
table
but
over
the
there.
dining table will be in the middle.
No, but your couch can be
Unless you
there.
put the couch and put the
Yeah,
dining table
that's what I was
there.
saying. You just put it
But then it's so close to the kitchen.
No, but your couch
That's
can literally
okay.
be here and your TV here and you then like why do you want
My
to-
TV here.
Your TV can be there and your couch can be here.
But it's too far.
So you can't see someone that shot It's so far. So we spent some time deliberating where we would place the TV, and honestly till now I don't even think we figured it out. But once we get the TV and actually try different angles, I'm sure we'll be able to find something. But guys, I'm just so grateful. We really wanted to get a place in this neighborhood and it felt impossible like time and time again. In my last house hunting vlog, when we came back that day, I was so tired and I don't know, the process just started to feel more frustrating because we find places that we like, but we're not able to put in an offer because by the time we've gone from the house hunting to go home and actually decide that we want it, the place is off the market already. The market was just moving so fast, and honestly that day I came back and I was just like, God, we need to find a place and this thing is stressing me so much. But he literally told me, you're going to find a place in this neighborhood. It just takes one day for the listing you want to come out and you're going to get it. And he was like, before Saturday you'll get a place. Guys, it was Friday. We had put in an offer for this place and the landlord told us, yeah, someone has taken it already, so he can't give it to us obviously. And then Saturday morning, I believe, he texts us that, oh, the person cancelled, so it's ours if we want it. And we're like, what? Guys, like God is so good and I'm just so grateful.
Your chair will be right here.
When you're cooking and you're on the couch, you just go straight. I think this gives a bit of distance. I think the distance should be there. So we got a few things from IKEA and Target because we went to Target on Sunday. So we got that's for the, I don't even know, for like hand towels in the washroom. In the washroom, yeah. So guys, I got this soap dispenser from IKEA.
You bought it back from upstairs.
Yeah, I bought two. I really thought it was glass, like from the pictures, but it's plastic. I don't know how I feel about that. But it's still cute. Like it looks.
Yeah, they won't want to be touching.
Yeah, it looks cute. I got clips. This is for like bags, chips, things like that. So air doesn't get in. Actually, there's not much here.
Let me tell you what we do.
When I go in another.
Me 5 things I bought for my new home that just me.
Guys, welcome back to this vlog. Today is Saturday. I came over so we can spend time together. I went to do some grocery shopping, so I bought a few things that I'm just going to unpack. I'm also going to make us breakfast, and yeah, I have a few other things to do today. I'm going to try on wedding dresses for the wedding. I don't know if I'll add it to this vlog. I'll make it another vlog, but yeah, so I'm excited. So spend the weekend with us, even though you're just seeing me for now. Yeah, okay, so we went to T&T supermarkets, an Asian supermarket. So we got a couple things. I got soy sauce. I saw this noodle thing that I wanted to try. I haven't had like cup noodle, like these bowl noodles, in such a long time, like probably since I was in high school. So I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, I really want to try it. Also just got some disposable cups. I also got a pack of chopsticks because I love eating my noodles with chopsticks. So I got these rice noodles. I think they're rice noodles. Yeah, rice stick noodles. So I'm going to make that today for Baya and I. And then I'm going to eat it with chopsticks. It makes me feel like I'm Asian. I just got some spices. Obviously, we moved into this new house and there's nothing here. Guys, the amount of things that you don't even think that you need to buy. Like, yeah, we just go buy lots of things. Got some tomato sauce. Yeah, we spent not that much at this T&T supermarket. I just got some spices, peppers, fruit bowl for bio. I don't know, maybe I'll have some. I'll most likely have some. Okay, what else? We got some goat meat. They had goat meat there, so I was like, well, let's just get it. And we can use it to make, so it's $15. Not bad. We can use it to make some goat meat pepper soup. Got some shrimps. And then these are just seasoning: garlic sauce, chili garlic sauce, Knorr cubes, more seasoning, bay leaves, and this Maggi sauce. My brother actually put me on this Maggi sauce. I don't typically like using Maggi. I don't typically like using Maggi to cook, but I just add like a bit, like literally just sprinkle this, especially when I get Asian food as well, like Chinese fried rice. This plus that, they go together real bad. Guys, I have this huge pimple on my face and it's so annoying. Like, I hardly ever break out, maybe once a year, or not even at all in a year, but I've been breaking out really bad and I feel like it's stress just from everything that's been going on. But yeah, anyways, that's all we got from T&T. Oh, we also got a wok. Let me show you. So because I'm making noodles today for us, so we got this wok. And it's pretty deep, so I really like it. I just hope it lasts. And then we also got house slippers. Just something comfortable to walk around the house in. But yeah, that's it for my grocery haul. Let me actually start cooking. Okay, bye guys. So guys, this is what we're having for breakfast. Eggs and everything by me actually.
Me.
Oh, it's hot, yeah. But yeah, I'm just going to have mine like this with some, I'm going to have mine with croissants. So right now I'm on my way to my bridal appointment, and I'm so excited to try wedding dresses. Like, this is one of the parts that I've been looking forward to in this whole wedding process. And my man is dropping me off.
But at your service.
Yeah, we just went to pick up some flowers that we'll need for the decor. For the wedding as well. But yeah, I'm meeting up with my friends, my bridesmaids actually, at the venue. So I'm excited, even though I'm running a bit late. I just really hope they don't give my appointment away. This place had really nice dresses, very unique styles actually, and I feel like if I didn't get my wedding dress custom made already, I might have actually got a dress from here because of how nice they were. So yeah, I'll try it and I'll see. Hopefully no regrets though. Actually, I definitely don't think I'll have any regrets. But yeah, anyways, let's go try on dresses.
Grass pan rice with chicken, sweet sour chicken.
Amen. Hi. So I didn't end up going wedding dress fitting anymore because, tell me why, the place I saw online, it looked really nice, like a very beautiful wedding dress store, but when I got there it was just looking very different. It was like a small corner boutique store, which isn't bad, but it was not the vibe I was going for. So my friends and I walked in first, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna come back. And then I was waiting for my friends to get there. So when they came in, we literally just looked at each other and we're like, yeah, no, we're not doing this. The place it wasn't giving comfort. It wasn't giving like, let's try on wedding dresses. So yeah, we just ended up going to Spoon and Fork to eat, as you guys saw, which is one of our favorite places. But yeah, anyways, today is a new day. A new day to continue wedding planning. So today I'm going to look at the venue that we're using. We have a meeting with the venue coordinator, and yeah, just a few things that we need to finalize and run by her because the wedding's coming up very soon. So yeah, just have a few things to review with her. So I'm excited. These past few days leading up to the wedding, or these weeks as the wedding is, you know, approaching, and just actually running through a long, guys, when I show you my to-do list, it is so long. If I'm running through a very long to-do list, contacting different people, just trying to manage everything. Yeah, it's not easy, but anyways, we're pushing, we're almost there. That's what's important. So yeah, I'm going to meet with the venue coordinator today. Me, my husband, and my sister, we're all going together. And then what else? Yeah, we're gonna do that. I feel like this meeting should leave, I'm really praying that it leaves me with a lot more clarity and peace concerning the wedding, and I don't want to leave feeling more stressed, because last week she got back to me and she was saying, so initially the venue was supposed to provide all the cutlery, cups, drinkware, all the tableware essentially, right? And then she's like, oh, they just ran an inventory and they only have enough for 150 people, but we're having way more than 150 guests. So it's like, now I have to find all those things from an external vendor. So it was just adding to my stress already. So I'm just hoping that when we go today, every other thing that we have is locked in and there's no need for an extra run around. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to that. What else? I don't know, man. Yeah. Honestly, what I'm looking forward to the most is just having this wedding and moving in and starting my life. To be very honest, but yeah, it's exciting. You only get to plan your wedding once, so yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Hi guys, so we are just on our way to the walkthrough of our event space. Ches is here. I think she's sleeping. My man is driving. No. The girl is sleeping. But yeah, I'm excited.
About this person I know her.
Yeah, she falls asleep like
she's the one driving.
quick.
If she's not the one driving, let's forget about any conversation.
Yeah, but I'm really excited. I feel everything's coming together nicely, so I'm just looking forward to it. I'm glad that Ches is here as well, because she's also my co-planner. Yeah. Oh, you're also I mean, you're a co-planner, but like this is different.
Yeah,
Even though I call my wife a planner, and I'll be guest.
yeah, sorry, like
I'm the
you're both the planners, but like you're also like the recipient
guest
of
of honor.
the
Recipient of the planning, I mean. Yeah.
both the customer and the service provider.
But yeah, so it's exciting. I can't wait to see the venue. And actually, I've seen the venue. I've actually only seen the venue once, so I'm excited to go see it again. And yeah, just walk through the entire plan, start to finish. I should bring my iPad actually. I'm measuring tape.
That's the wrong one, back.
And we have to get there by 4. If we come for 1, that woman can't see.
My phone has measuring tape right there.
They don't have measuring.
It's not
My phone.
Hi guys, so we just got here. Ches loves it. This is our first time seeing it. Let me show you guys.